Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to calculate correlation coefficients in your data set. And specifically, we're going to be calculating Pearson product moment correlation coefficients. So let's start off by getting some data. On this web page, we have a simple data set with weight and length. Let's copy them to the clipboard, and then we can paste them straight into Easy Data Transform. And here we can see that Easy Data Transform has correctly worked out the format. We need to make sure Show Advanced is checked so that the correlation transform is shown, and with the clipboard data set selected, click Correlate. And we want to correlate these two columns. And here we see the Pearson correlation coefficients. So we can see weight and length are quite highly correlated. 1 means perfectly correlated, -1 means perfect inverse correlation, and 0 means no correlation. Let's do a quick num format transform just to reduce the number of decimal places. And here we've reduced it to 2 decimal places, and then let's output it to Excel. Let's look at a second example. This is a Kaggle dataset called Age, Weight, Height, BMI Analysis with 741 rows. And we can see it's got columns for age, height, weight, body mass index, and then the class of body mass index. They're all numeric apart from the last one. So with this dataset selected, we click Correlate, and then we'll select all the columns apart from the last one. And here we see we have all the correlations. And as we'd expect, weight and height are quite highly correlated. Age and height are less correlated because these people are all adults. If we include the BMI class column, we'll see we get a not applicable here because there are no numbers in those columns. Any pairs of values that are not numeric are ignored. And here we can see some warnings. And we can output that data to a CSV file. If we want some more information on the correlation transform, we can just click the Help button here. Obviously, this is a very small example, but Easy Data Transform can easily handle millions of rows. It also has a wide range of other transforms for cleaning up, merging, and filtering your data. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.